everyone. Hope you guys are all doing well. This is Miss Fidel. We are going to do calendar time. So let's get started. Yesterday was Thursday, so today is Friday. Today is Friday.
The month is
Can anyone tell me what month we are on?
April.
Good job. The month is April.
The date is
Yesterday was April the 2nd. Can anyone tell me what today is?
3rd.
Good job. Today is April the 3rd.
The weather is
Can you guys look outside your window and tell me what the weather is like today?
cloudy.
Cloudy. The weather is cloudy and there is a small chance of rain.
The temperature is
Can anyone guess what the temperature is like today?
warm.
Good job. The temperature is warm.
Choose a person to dress.
Okay, can someone pick a person so that we can dress? Thank you. What kind of bottoms do we need when the temperature is warm?
Bottoms. Pants.
Good, we can wear pants. What kind of top do we need when the temperature is warm?
Tops. T-shirt.
Awesome job. What type of shoes do we wear when the temperature is warm?
Shoes. Tennis shoes.
Good job. Do we need a hat when the temperature is warm?
Hats. No hat.
Okay, good job. What about accessories? Do we need any accessories?
Accessories. No accessory.
No accessories. Okay. What about outerwear? Do we need a jacket when it's warm?
Outerwear. No outerwear.
Good job. We do not need a jacket if it's warm outside. And we're all done. We are ready to go outside on a cloudy and warm day. Good job, guys. Just a reminder, today is Friday, April 3rd, 2020. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.